Good morning, peeps. Just headed off to grab a cup of Timmy's and then off to the job site for university. Woo! Should be good. Yeah, I could use a cup of Java right now, that's for sure. I've been getting rolled the rim just to see if I come along a Jeep Compass, but you never do know, right? Line's looking not too long. Score! Oh, it just grew like 3 cars by the time I came around. It's nutty. Let's see what change I got in here. That should do it.
Happy.
Could I please grab a large double dark roast?
Okay.
And that's it, my friend.
Alright, that comes to 210. Thank you.
Thank you. Phew! The dream is on. There we are. Perfect. Thanks, you too. Onward. Quest number 1 achieved. Check it out. Go like this. Flip it under. That way it doesn't spill when you're driving. See that? Birds are chirping. Alright guys, coming up is the VIU University. Just about to drive by it on the way to the job site. It's the mechanics building. That's why it looks the crappiest. And here's the carpentry building. And there's the landscape of it. She's built on quite the hill, I'd say. Alrighty, we're just strolling up to the job site now. Alright. Time to put the suit and tie on. Alrighty, good to go. Here we are. My group is working on a little front entranceway. Should be pretty cool. That little angled chunk of roof right there. It's coming along. Boys are really pitching in today, getting out on the court. The stoke is definitely on. There she is, peeps. All said and done. You right, guy? Well, there goes another day's work. Well, life is good. Living the dream. Oh, that sun is heavy today. Woo! Take a load off Annie. Take a load for free. You put the load right on me. What do we got on for tunage today? Hopefully something good. See you, Bob. Stoke of the century. And we're here. Alright, big shooters. I'm gonna go in and get showered up. Probably slap some new clothes on and jaunt across the street into Westwood Park. Should be a good little hike happening, and I'll show you guys the viewpoint and whatnot and just have a good time. I will check up with you guys in a few minutes.
2 hours later.
Since it's looking so nice out today, I think I might actually go for a board downtown. Yeah, definitely. I can't pass this up. The path is gonna be heavy today. Probably nobody on it. Oh yeah. Alrighty, down to the boardwalk we go. I'm pretty stoked actually. I haven't been for a board in like way too long. It only dumped about that much snow in the last like month. Alrighty, see you down there.
I hit the pavement, running the muck and I don't stop. I've been living the same day for the past 6 months in a daze, because I'm doing what I love and I won't leave the state.
Alright folks, here we are. I'm downtown. Stopped by Serious Cafe. Got myself a little Americano for the board. And yeah, come check it out.
So have a laugh or get blasted out to space.
Right on. Dingy Dock Pub is way over there. Right there. It should be.
Whoa. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow.
Yes, I hear ya, I hear ya. Hey, dude. Should I send it? Probably, yeah. That's what I was thinking too. Here we go.
I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. On my notes when you still were in the club, activate yourself, the sounds slip through your fingers where it lingers up above the clouds in a maze. You lose control, relaxation, and rotations.
That was probably one of the heavier things I've done, but well worth it.
The weight within its curve, within its crate, within the breeze lies your fate. So share a glass and get blasted off your face. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow.
So the lineup is actually pretty packed today.
I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow.
You see that hang 10? Oh. Lineup got pretty crowded, so I abandoned for a bit. He doesn't even know what's coming. Oh, dude. Really? Quite the view from out here. That is Newcastle Island, I believe. That is Protection Island. That over there with that rock cliff is Gabriola Island.
Love life, living in sunshine. Love life, living in sunshine. Stay with me. We can't let this go, you see. I'm up in arms. Can't you see what's really going on?
You trying to swallow a starfish there, big dog? You're not gonna do it.
A forest in my mind of velvet echoes. Oh, free me swimming in this ocean breeze, 'cause no one gets out of you.
Alright guys, well that was downtown. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Hope you liked it, and now I'm gonna head home. Have a good night, everybody. Signing off.